All right, so here we have a Samsung Gear S3 Classic watch. This is my friend's. He says the battery doesn't hold as much as it used to because, you know, batteries will degrade over time. I ordered a new battery for my Fix-It. You know, we're gonna open it up, put the new battery in. Should not be that hard, right? It should be easy, should be great. Dude, it's a try. It looks like a boomerang. Oh, wow. Okay, that's working. Oh, I'm stripping this one, aren't I? I found the size that works best, and I didn't actually realize these bits were labeled, but this is the Y00. The smaller one actually did strip the screw. What I did was put a lot of pressure in, kind of move it around, and in a way try to reform that little bit of thread. I literally just scratched the plastic. You know what? Let's try out heating. Let's set it to 80. So I see some ribbon cables right there and right there with a couple screws. These are Phillips screws. Oh, there's another ribbon cable. These just pulled out through the slot. The third cable is actually part of the motherboard that connects to something else. It seems like there's only a sticky pad right there, and otherwise, actually, if I just pry it off, wouldn't I be able to reuse the stickiness? Ooh, seems like a good way to break the motherboard. What orientation is that? You know what? It's fine. Don't worry. I really should pay attention to these things of like how it was connected before I disconnected it. But then again, you know. If that looks right. Okay, and then I have to put these through. Which, let me do one at a time or not. It's not a good sign. So when I removed the motherboard from the plastic, I did have to, like, obviously it's not in the same place as it was. Hey, that actually seemed to thread in. Just sometimes you don't have to be afraid to just push a little harder. Cover goes on. Orientation was, I believe, this way. Alright, how do I turn this on now? But yeah, that is definitely not the right time. But cool. Alright, thank you for watching. That has been another that has been a successful Yonash repair video. Thank you. Oh, well, there's 4 screws still. Gonna give them all just a little tighten. Little tighten. What is this, Owl House? That has been another successful YouTube video by me, brought to you by Yodash. Once I stopped overthinking it and just try to focus on the problems, it wasn't that bad. You know, I think I have a tendency to over-exaggerate importance and blow things out of proportion, which is not a good personal trait. Alright. Until next time on Yonash decides to record and edit a video, and you can actually see that. So, yeah. Okay, bye!